Thank you very much, Dr. Vanda, for kind words and kind introduction. My dear friend, Dr. Yogesh Shah, President of IMA Mumbai branch. Previously, Dr. J.J. Merchant Oration Awardee, Dr. Vijay Punjabi, Dr. Muzi Kapadia, Dr. Sunita Kshirsagar, Dr. Rohini Shinde, Dr. Indira Sahajwala, my colleagues and friends. I will start my talk by giving respect to my Guru, Acharya Vinoba Bhave. You must be knowing that Vinoba Bhave was a close associate of Mahatma Gandhi and first Satyagrahi for individual civil disobedience movement, a learned scholar and writer of Gita in Marathi. He is a Bharat Ratna. He started Sarvodaya and Bhudan movement in 1951 from Srirampalli, Hyderabad. Friends, I am also grateful to Sri Ram Chinchlikar, who sowed the seeds of good philosophy. Friends, in the year 1956, that is before 60 years, I was 15 years of age. I was follower of Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Bhudan, Sampatidan and Gramdan movement was the top of the nation. You will be surprised to know that I was a member of a Padyatra group as the youngest child Padyatri. In the year 1956, Bhudan conference was organized at the Kanjivaram. I had just given matric exam and there was a vacation. So, I joined Padyatra with a full enthusiasm, confidence and willpower. I walked from Mumbai to Kanjivaram, Chennai on foot as a Padyatri. It is about 1100 miles, that is 760 kilometers. I walked through Ratnagiri, Samantwadi, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. I climbed small mountains and hills of Vindhyachal range. Every day we were to walking about 20 to 23 miles, that is practically from Churchgate to Virar. We were walking from morning 3:30 am, carrying all the luggage on our shoulders. It took 56 days to reach Kanjivaram. My Guru Sri Ram Chinchlikar taught me many things during the walk. During Padyatra in the evening, there was a Gram Sabha and I was a speaker giving talks on Bhudan, etc. I have received great applause and even received confirmation for 2 Gram. This was the beginning of social work. And I am very happy to say that in the Bhudan conference at Kanjivaram, I received congratulations and flower from Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Great sir, great sir. Can you recognize me? Anybody? Center. No, center is my Guru Sri Ram Chinchlikar.
Second from left.
Second from the left.
Second from left.
Sri Ram Chinchlikar has put his short hand on my shoulder. The first one is a Daniel, second is myself, then Sri Ram Chinchlikar, then my school friend Mr. Bipin Gosalia and Eli Gatkar. As I was follower of Acharya Vinoba Bhave and wanted to serve the people, I wanted to become farmer. I took admission in B agriculture, but my brother brainwashed me and said, doctor also can serve the people. जाते थे जापान पहुंच गए चीन, समझ गए ना, या नहीं मैं डॉक्टर बन गया.
क्या बात?
सही पकड़ा.
Finally, I have taken medical profession as my career. After completing my integrated course in 1965, along with my family responsibility, I passed LMD from Gujarat University, MBBS from DYL Nair College, and Diploma in General Practice from College of Physicians and Surgeons, Mumbai. During this period, I joined medical associations of DWAD, CWAD, GPA, NEMA, IMA, and Jain Adhyatma Study Circle, Mumbai. I became president of DWAD Medical Association in 1993-94, president of Jain Adhyatma Study Circle in 2007 and 8, and president of Indian Medical Association Mumbai branch in 2014 and 15. As a president, I had enough opportunity for creativity and social work. Since I became doctor, this is my dedication and creativity for the tuberculosis. Since I became doctor, treating tuberculosis, which was rampant at that time, was my passion. During treatment, I found that patients did not complete the treatment properly, as the treatment was long and very costly. I wanted to do something for that. And in 1994-95, under the leadership of Dr. Mahesh Upadhyay, stalwart Dr. H.M. Shah, myself as IPP and others, the D1 Medical Association created corpus fund and started the concubine nutrition tip control project in 1994 on the mother's name of philanthropic minded Sri Chunibai Shah, Sangvi. This project is run by the D1 Medical Association as a community, through me as a community service chairman. That is also running in my clinic. It is running smoothly since last 22 years. I must have guided more than 3,000 TB patients referred by the members of the D1 Medical Association. For this social work, I have received Lifetime Achievement Award from the D1 Medical Association and also received Bhaganpal Kriplani Award from IMA Mumbai branch. Highlights of this project was to create proper planning. I have created following forms. They are created totally by me only. Recommendation from the family doctor. The Bombay D1 Medical Association members can recommend their TB patients to my clinic on every Friday. Family doctors take full responsibility for the follow-up of the patient till patient completes the treatment. And patient has to remain in contact with his family doctor every month. This is a consent of the patient that was in 3 languages, English, Hindi and Gujarati. Patient gives his consent that he knows about his disease, needing long treatment, and he will complete his treatment properly and regularly for the benefit of himself and the society. Patient's record card. It is a very unique record card with a Friday calendar. As a Friday is the OPD day for TB patients. Proper counseling is done before giving this card. Friday dates are mentioned on this. The patient is aware on which Friday he has to visit TB clinic. Because of this record card, patients were very regular and there was hardly any dropout. Xerox of this card remains in the brain after the treatment for future reference. My dedication even continued when I became the president of IMA Mumbai branch. I continued my passion of treating TB patients as the president of IMA Mumbai branch. Mission TB control was my motto. Sensitizing members about notification of TB was also challenged for that. For that, I have created a questionnaire and created awareness regarding notification among members of our association. You are well aware that Mission TB control song was written by me and sung by Geeta Doshi, which is very popular. It has been uploaded on RNTCP link IMA headquarters. I am very happy to say that IMA Mumbai branch created video on this song. Members of IMA was Mumbai branch was on the artist of the video. Video was launched at the head of National President Dr. Marcinda Pillai. It was also played at IMA headquarters during the Central Working Committee meeting in 2014. It is also on the medical news on IMA headquarters and on YouTube. It has received many hits for the video. Just a glimpse.